Today we are going to be talking about the word compare. What does it mean to compare? Let's talk about it. Turn to your partner and discuss what you think it means to compare. All right, let's bring it back together. Did anyone have anything like this? Compare means to examine two or more objects in order to note their similarities. Down below, we have a dog and a toucan. If we were to compare, we would look at their similarities. Let's give it a try. Go back to your partners, and I want you to find similarities and compare this cow and this dog. Go ahead and get started. Here are some similarities that I found. Do you have any that are the same? Both are animals, both walk on four legs, both have tails, both are brown, both are mammals, and both can be found on a farm. Did any of you have these? Here we have other words to use when comparing. Both, alike, similar, the same, just like, also, to, and as well as. These are all used in stories or other literature that are cueing that they are comparing. One of the most important questions of the day: when do we compare the most? We compare the most when reading stories and discussing literature. Miss Holly will talk to you more about comparing Goldilocks and Goldilocks, the stories we read earlier in class. Have a wonderful day.